So these are the bagels that I picked up in my fall reset, which was my last vlog, and I already had one yesterday for a snack. I'm never going back to regular pre-made, heavily processed bagels again. These taste like the ones you would get at like a bagel cafe. They just have such a better consistency, and they're not dry like the Dave's Killer ones, and they're thick. So this is what the cream cheese looks like. I freaking love this stuff. And it's the best plant-based cream cheese I've been able to find. And to be honest, I've been dairy-free since 2013. I don't really remember what cream cheese tastes like too much, but this to me tastes like that Philadelphia traditional cream cheese. So definitely a 10 out of a 10, and it's nut-free, so that's why I personally like this. So whenever I do workouts, I prefer something carby, just for some energy. And bagels are a great quick option for me. Pre-workout snack. So I'm gonna eat this, shower, get ready, and then we're gonna head to the gym. I'm back, showered, just did my hair. I'm gonna do a light makeup, and then I'm gonna put my shirt on because I'm about y'all be getting hot when I'm trying to get ready to go. So I'm feeling really cute. Like, these purples go so nice together. We love a little mix and match moment. This bra is my favorite. Okay, so when they drop the new Elevate, baby, on the 5th, 11 o'clock EST, I will be there because I can't imagine how cute the halter will be for a back day. Got the itty bitties. This is the one for you, and I like this one more than the minimal. I just feel like I never have to worry about anything, and honestly, it makes the shoulders go crazy. Like, this combo, y'all can't tell me nothing about a cute minimal bra with big baggy sweats. It's giving me hips that I don't have. But I'm gonna get ready and try to be done by 9:30. I have to edit something really quickly before I go to the gym for Instagram. Guys, you already know the vibes. I just mixed up my supplements. It is day 2. because y'all, September just started and I'm already entering bulk season. I am not about to play, okay? So we are back to doing our creatine with the Oxy Shred, of course. Slimer is my go-to right now with my creatine. So I'm really excited to go do upper body. I just feel like my muscles actually look like I work out when I take creatine. And when I'm on like a bulk, I don't want to look fat and fluffy and like I don't work out. I still want to make those gains and build muscle mass and still look toned. So creatine is that girl. I always get asked like, oh, I'm gonna cut, but like I don't want to gain weight. Girl, creatine has 0 calories. It doesn't make you gain weight. It just gives your muscles more definition because it pulls that water into our muscles to create the illusion that they're bigger than what they really are, because that's where our water basically gets stored. So it's the best of any world, whether you want to maintain your weight, gain weight like me, do a lean bulk, or even shred some extra fat. It's really going to help you out with your muscle building and all that good stuff, especially your strength in the gym. So definitely check out EHP Labs. Y'all already know discount code K10 will save you guys some extra money over at checkout. So I'll link my stack and my go-to supplements that I like to take within my fitness routine in the description box below. Guys, it's like the 3rd day in this video. I didn't really vlog much. I wanted to show y'all my upper workout routine, but I was getting like anxiety trying to film. So I'm sorry about that, but today is leg day. My booty cheeks are still sore from the last vlog when I took y'all here to do hip thrusts for the first time in like 2-3 months. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm going to do hip thrusts today, maybe glute bridges and drop the weight a little bit just so I can activate the booty cheeks. But I really want to do like some quad and hammy exercises. Something in the Smith machine would be good, but I need to stretch. So I'm definitely gonna do that and add some incline walk to my workout at the end. It feels like fall and I'm so obsessed. Like this week we're gonna be so spoiled. I hope it lasts and it's not that fake fall that we tend to get every year in the DC area. It's 77 and there's such a nice little breeze and like a fresh crispness in the air. And I just I love it for me. I think I'm getting an EHP Labs delivery today, thank God, because I have some protein in there and some more Oxy Shred because I'm running out of my Slimer. I got the Ultra Energy on me and I think I have 2 more left, and I ordered a new flavor to switch it up this month because Slimer is that girl, but sometimes I want a different taste. And RIP to the peach, because it seems like they're never gonna bring it back, and I would love to see them drop the cotton candy again because those are like literally my top 2, but we have Slimer, so I guess it's fine. But today is gonna be just a really nice chill day, no stress. Usually I stress myself like, oh, I gotta hurry up and go to the gym so I can beat traffic and come home and edit and do, but since I'm doing like a couple days in my fit life, just getting back into being consistent again, there's no pressure for me, I guess, that I put on myself, rather to get up a video before it's too late, before you guys go to sleep basically. So I'm looking forward to getting back to just going to the gym every day and like getting into the habit of putting on a cute outfit and like getting myself together, because the way I have not been wearing makeup just added to me not being motivated. But I'm just in such a good headspace, as you guys know. So a lot of cool stuff. I do have Gymshark. When do I never have Gymshark coming to the crib, guys? Like, it's an addiction at this point. But I ordered from the Labor Day sale and I can't remember if it's out for delivery today. I have a couple of things that I've been picking up for my new apartment that I have not gotten yet, but I actually just toured an apartment this morning, which is probably why I'm in such a good mood, you would think. But that's a video for my Kayla Lachey Vlogs channel in case you guys are interested in my personal life. But I'm about to check the tracking for my Gymshark. Oh no, that's not coming today. The label was just created. Yeah, no, EHP is coming today, so that'll be good too. I ordered a protein for my sister, so she likes the Blessed protein. I'm gonna make time to drop that off to her this week sometime. But I'm gonna tap into my gym playlist and I may or may not vlog. You guys see me on this Smith machine all the time. Like, how many more clips do I have to show you my basic simple routine of split squats, sumo squats, and reverse deficit lunges? Like, that's on the menu for today. And the way that I really feel like in your 30s the gym has replaced the club, because this is my pregame. The way I get cute is like me getting cute for the club, and the way that I go there just to listen to my music on full blast and move my body like I used to when I would go to the club, it's the same thing, guys. It's just a healthier version, I guess. So I'm gonna catch you on the gym, and hopefully it's not too crazy in there. And we're back with that little voiceover. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about voiceovering gym footage. I don't know, I never really know what to say. Just because I'm a regular girl, I'm not a trainer out here, but what I can do is offer motivation for the girls. So again, this is me being consistent week 1, back into it after falling off for what, like 2 months from being unmotivated and also being sick and highly stressed out. So I never really want to do too much, and sometimes I feel like, oh, when I'm coming back to the gym after a long time, I can lift as heavy as I used to. Absolutely not. Oh girl, I was humbled so quick. So I do like to use a belt when I'm doing my heavier lifts, like the reverse lunges, and I still have so much love for sumos. When you have longer limbs, baby, you gotta get your form a little bit different. I have to do sumos for the balance, to compensate for the lack of torso and the long length of my thighs. So I do like to kind of bend forward or lean forward a little bit when I go deep into a squat. And when I tell you I feel these in my booty cheeks immediately, it has me sweating. So this is something I have not done in months, because before me falling off, y'all, I had a knee injury and it had scared me from doing high stance leg press like I'm doing now, but also hack squat. So I'm currently icing my knee just because that's a part of my recovery after I work out, because I don't want to have inflamed, hot feeling kneecaps. So I definitely took my time this time, since it was my first time back on this machine, warmed up with just the machine, added 1 plate, and I was actually able to breeze through it. And I really should be wearing my knee sleeves. I really don't know why. It's because I don't want to take my shoes off to put them on. They're in my gym bag, but girl, catch me next time with the knee sleeves. So I could definitely do 1 plate like it was nothing. So I went ahead and I added on a 2nd plate. I personally love to up my weight every single set that I do, just for the intensity, since my goal is to do progressive overload. I am on creatine, as you guys know, so getting back into that for week 1, like, it takes a little bit of time for it to kind of stay in my system. So baby, once that kicks in and the creatine is in me, oh, I'm gonna breeze through more weight like it's absolutely nothing. So 2 plates was really easy for me. I actually think I got up to 4 plates this entire workout, or maybe it was 3, I can't remember. But again, I feel this in my glutes. That's why I love high stance with this leg press machine. It's one of my favorites. So I'm just trying to incorporate things that I used to do and things that I haven't done to kind of add that excitement back into my routine, so I'm not bored of just doing the same things all the freaking time every single leg day. So here we go. I think this is my next or last set. And I don't take long of a break, as you guys can see, but baby, I'm like wheezing at this point. It's time to go. But I was like, all right, let's get into it. Let's finish it off and go nice and slow and controlled. But the thighs are looking really thick. I know y'all see that. Stop playing with me, okay? But I can't wait to get into this bulk and get some more muscle on me. Get a little thick or whatever. I don't know. See what I could do in my fitness journey for the remainder of 2024. So I'm gonna do a protein tuna pasta. I have some boiled egg. I'm gonna use this Trader Joe's tuna in oil. Trust me, it has so much more flavor. And the noodles I like to use are bow tie, and these are just the protein, which have a little extra protein in the noodles, which is 10 grams. The tuna itself, I'm making like a big batch. This usually lasts me like 3 or 4 meals for lunch, and this is 29 grams of protein. So all I made for leftovers was some 80-20 ground beef, Uncle Ben's jasmine rice, and then some organic tomatoes on the vine. And this is really hot, but I'm just gonna dump it in over my bell pepper and just make a bowl. I freaking love tomatoes. And honestly, I love this recipe. Even if I added, like, skip the bell pepper and add a scrambled egg. Oh, so good. It literally looks, well, I don't know, not like my stuffed peppers, because I'll use canned tomato to make the rice bind a little bit better, but similar ingredients. And that's my lunch today. What time is it? 1:14. I always have to ice my knee, guys. I'm not gonna hold you. Leg day was yesterday and my knees are kind of paying for it today.